I came into this expecting the entry-level Cupra Leon to be the wrong car wearing the right badge. 150 horsepower, a manual gearbox, front-wheel drive. On paper, that is a SEAT Leon FR in a more expensive suit. Then I looked at the equipment list, the warranty card, and the price board. The argument changed direction faster than I expected. What the 5-year warranty does to the ownership case is in the verdict. The facelift gave the Cupra Leon a front end that no longer needs the badge to identify the brand. The shark nose narrows the upper grille into a slit and drops a wide trapezoidal intake across the lower bumper. Triangular LED headlights read sharper in person than in press images. Side sills in dark contrast trim pull the visual mass lower, and at the rear, the full-width light bar connects the taillights through an illuminated Cupra logo that glows copper at night. For a car on the base engine, the stance earns more credibility than the spec sheet suggests. What that translates to inside is where this car earns its keep. The interior is where the Cupra Leon separates from the SEAT Leon. The 12.9-inch infotainment runs wireless Apple CarPlay and Cupra Connect 3.0. Copper accents frame the air vents, the start button on the flat-bottom wheel, and the drive mode selector. The dashboard uses a parametric pattern that feels softer than the pre-facelift plastics, and ambient door lighting wraps the cabin in a single color strip. Not a premium cabin in the BMW 1 Series sense, but it stopped cutting corners where your eyes land first. The front sports SEATs hold shape through corners without hardening on a longer run. The digital cockpit offers a Cupra-specific layout that borrows visual logic from Audi's RS instruments. 2 USB-C ports, a wireless charging tray, and 3-zone Climatronic are all standard. That last detail matters. 3-zone climate on a sub-€30,000 hatchback is not something Volkswagen offers on the Golf at equivalent money. Rear passengers inherit the 3-zone benefit with their own climate controls and 2 more USB-C ports. Legroom behind a tall driver is adequate, typical for this class. ISOFIX points on both outer SEATs are standard, but accessing those mounts takes blind exploration with your fingers. It separates an engineer who has fitted a child's SEAT from one who has only spec'd the mounting points. 380 liters of boot space, around 13.4 cubic feet. The load lip is deeper than I would like, which makes lifting heavier items awkward. A 60/40 split fold and a ski hatch handle longer loads without dropping the full SEAT back. No variable boot floor, which the Golf GTI gets and this car misses. For weekly use, the space handles a pushchair and 2 shopping runs without complaint. 150 horsepower from the 1.5-liter TSI ACT, 250 Nm through a 6-speed manual, 8.9 seconds to 100, around 8.7 to 60 miles per hour, 5.8 liters per 100 kilometers, approximately 49 miles per gallon. This is not a hot hatch engine. What it does is stay quiet, deliver smooth mid-range for motorway merges, and return real-world economy in the low 40s. The manual has a clean short throw that reminds you someone at Martorell still cares about the tactile side of driving. I expected this powertrain to feel like a compromise. It feels like a decision. €29,900 with the EG Paket and the Winter Paket. The SEAT Leon FR with equivalent equipment costs less but offers 3 years of warranty. The Golf costs more and also offers 3. The Cupra gives you 5 years and 100,000 kilometers on a platform that ranks 13th out of 30 brands in reliability surveys, ahead of Volkswagen itself. The badge is not what you are paying for. You are paying for the warranty, the equipment, and the facelift interior at a price that makes the SEAT look like less of a bargain than it appears on paper. If you want the performance story, the 2-liter is right here. If you want the smartest way into this platform with the longest coverage, this is the car most reviewers are not telling you to consider. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.